Do-it-yourself Del here again with this time a Yoplait product evaluation. Again, this comes in two parts, and here's like little, like, I don't know, crackers or like little cereal things. But so we'll open her up and see what we got. Here's the yogurt part of it, and I guess the idea is to pour this in there, and I'm going to take a taste to see what. Yeah, I think this is a cinnamon outfit here. Yeah, cinnamon vanilla. So we can pour a couple of them. I'd probably just eat the yogurt without this stuff, but since it comes with it, we'll try it out. Let's see what it's like. Got no problems with it. It's great yogurt. And the cinnamon taste is evident in these little crackers. And let's see again. The eval is its little paragraph kind of thing. It tells you about all the different percentages and so forth, and what it's got, and what the. And then also, I think this tells you what all the ingredients are, which look like there's pretty many of them. And let's see, we got it best if by 2022. So I think we're around the best buy date. Maybe we skidded into town just in time in this one. This yogurt's just fantastic, and there's no law against putting in ice cream sundae syrup, the strawberry or the caramel or the chocolate, and probably think of other things to put in, add fruit or something, or just eat it the way it is. So this is pretty good as far as I'm concerned. Normally I don't eat the whole contents of the package, but this, you can see, is disappearing. So there's a cover of the product again, and so I'm giving this one a thumbs up. And outside, I haven't finished the cinnamon little crackers and things, but I do like the yogurt a lot. And if you like cinnamon, it's pretty good. Even if you don't like cinnamon or aren't really well acquainted with it, it's not bad. It's not bad. So I hope that this helps. If you see that and you might think of trying it, it's the cinnamon vanilla. Yoplait cinnamon vanilla.